Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today's question is how to save and restore the selected window in Emacs Lisp. So what does that mean? So we first open a buffer at the bottom, and in what we want to do in that buffer foo is to insert the string bar from an expression that we are going to evaluate in the buffer at the top. But what we want is to still have the buffer at the top selected when we're done, and we don't want to call the buffer foo, but just select the other window. So what we can do is first is to see what we're doing. So prog n to evaluate sequentially the form that we have here, and we can first use the function other window, which let's go to the other window. So we see if we evaluate just that, we now have the window at the bottom selected. What we can do and what we want to do is to insert bar with a new line at the end, and if we evaluate all that expressions, that prog n expression, we have inserted bar, but the point has been the window at the bottom has been selected, and this is not what we want. We want to have the window at the top stay selected. So what we can do is to use save selected window, and now if we evaluate that form, what we do, we get bar inserted at the bottom, but still we have the window at the top selected, and we can do that several times. So we evaluate, and we still are with the window at the top selected. So that's it for today, and I hope this is useful.